Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's May 1st, 2025. And today's mission is to spread out the wood chips. That pile along the fence there. Spread that along the lane. Keep the dust down. And probably work on the pile that's up at the front. There it goes. Next pile. Moved. It's 1 o'clock now. I'm gonna go have lunch, and then I'll bring the Jeep back down here and pack it better, and then I'll scoop up some more and fill the holes. Well, here it is. It's packed down. I'll have to fill a few holes here and there. The dog's going for a ride. Sally in the front. She'll be in the back. Only ride they've had in a Jeep for a while. Sometimes you have to stop to smell the lilacs. Man, these smell so good. That's it. These piles here are now gone. I don't want to dig too deep and get the dirt mixed in here, so a light layer across the top, that's fine. And it'll be tilled in later on. Anyway, so I guess I should head up to the front pile and start working on that one. Now, back to this pile. Alright, there it is. Got the majority of the pile gone. Left a little bit here in case the neighbor needs some. Are ready for another truckload or two. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.